today I will be showing you what I wear and what's in my bag. So I'm wearing this skirt right now. So the skirt is pink and I'm wearing a shirt which says Ciao Belle. It means hello beautiful. So it's French. I think it's French. So I'm wearing a necklace, a pink one. So that's it. So I will be showing you what's here, this bag. Kasi itong bag na to ay ayan siya. Meron siyang ano dito. Ito ay parang bayong na may tela. So, meron siya ditong lock. Ganito. So, ganyan siya. Ayan, may lock siya. Dito mo siya ilalock. Tapos, so, ito yung bag ko ngayon. At ipapakita ko kung ano yung dinadala ko in a daily basis kapag lalabas ako, kapag